Did you know you can make money online with Clickbank affiliate marketing? We will show you how people in our community use innovative techniques to go from having no money to making $30,000 per month. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to make money online with Clickbank. Let's now get going. You can be an affiliate even if you're not the smartest person in the room. If you simply desire freedom from anyone or anything telling you what you need to do or where you need to be at a specific time, I'm pretty sure you will become interested in affiliate marketing. Being in other fields means you need to handle all of the risk and labor-intensive tasks. Maybe you would handle customer service, hire and manage a team, and spend your own money on inventory. When affiliate marketing, you will never do that. Choosing the products you can and want to sell is the first step because the greater the product's pain point, the more money you'll make. For instance, you could claim that you are selling camera lens replacement covers if you wanted to create an affiliate marketing product. But not everyone has a camera, meaning they don't even think about that. However, if someone says, "Hey, I'm very unhealthy, I'm obese, I'm lonely, I'm trying to make money, but I'm broke," those are painful topics. And the more pain points there are, the more money you can make. Does that even make sense? If it does, keep in mind that you may be able to get more money from a disgruntled customer because they didn't initially buy your product, but rather to help them solve a problem. Create a free Clickbank account to get started identifying significant, uncomfortable issues. When you do, you'll observe that they have a number of resources and tools at your disposal. Health and wellness are booming right now because everyone wants to look better, get that six-pack, and feel good about themselves. This was accomplished by demonstrating how to get six-packs using a Clickbank product that I purchased. You can also choose from a number of other markets such as business and investing, e-commerce, and e-marketing, where I will make Clickbank products. You can almost sign up for free for a lot of different products by clicking one simple button. You would receive a commission without having to spend any money if customers click that button. This is the allure of Clickbank. Where else are these significant pinpoint successes likely to be found? The website Munchai, where all internet gurus advertise their goods with other gurus who have email lists, is a further resource I'd like to mention. The simplicity of this is what makes it beautiful. Number 1, everyone in the industry will promote one product for a week or two during the launch. Number 2, the excitement and hype surrounding it, as well as the fact that it's only available for 2 weeks, are the second factors that drive sales, regardless of your lack of experience. Number 3, they do all the speaking and selling. This is great if you lack confidence or are introverted and don't enjoy speaking in front of people. They will even market and sell the product for you. This is fantastic if you lack any sales or marketing skills or don't have any personal branding, because they handle all of the speaking and selling while paying you a 50% commission. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Guess what this millionaire guru who already practices all of these things does? Instead of sending you to a sales video where they send you an email, they direct you to a virtual workshop where they explain everything in detail. The affiliate network is correct. If a product, for example, is $3,497, you'll get a 50% commission. High-ticket affiliate marketing was one of the ways someone else generated $346,000 in net affiliate commissions. If that's the case, does it make sense? If not, consider privacy. Coaches receive a 50% commission if people decide to purchase their coaching program following a coaching session because they feel they got a lot out of it. The following step is to convince them to take a specific action, like viewing pre-sale content. So what exactly is pre-sale content? Examples include a blog, a website like Pinterest, a YouTube video, a YouTube ad, or an email. In other words, any type of content that generates interest in the Clickbank product, which is what ultimately will make you money. Among total strangers qualifies. Yes, there are numerous methods available. Create a blog, use Pinterest like I do, a YouTube video or commercial like our members, or use Facebook ads. Any one of these, but you'll need to locate people eventually. What is the best course of action? Let me show you what some of our neighbors are already doing successfully. Many of them are running Facebook, YouTube, and Google advertisements because they don't have to appear in public, don't need any prior experience, and can see results in as little as a month. Assume you only purchase in the next 30 days is a tent for yourself. Consider what would happen if you only receive 1/10 of that amount over the next 30 days, which would still be $100 per day. Would you keep relying on others and working for a living? But if you're able to scale up and earn an extra $100 per day online, what would that actually achieve? Before making your own ads like those on YouTube, check out VidTal to see which ones are currently the most popular there. Let's hunt down a few of these. Let's take a look at Rico's Life Strength Network for Whole Wellness in order to locate some of these. Even though there are many channels, they are all run by different people in our community. These individuals received 300,000, 26 million, 31,000, and 247,000 views respectively. Assume you can only have one 3-minute video in which you don't even show your face on camera and use robot voices, and you get 26 million views that lead to a product that pays you 140 commission. Do you see how, despite lacking resources, time, and experience, these individuals were able to scale extremely quickly? They already did exactly that in the end. They would go ahead and look for some of these videos, play them, and then write down every word on a Google Doc so they had the script. Because if this script receives 26 million views, it must be worth a lot of money, right? To make you money through an email list, they employed copywriters and email writers, among other things. You could simply copy and paste the words that they use and insert them in the script that you have. For example, Vision Right. This is a vision product, but you can change it to a weight loss script. If you don't have an email list but are aware that these words get people to buy when used as pre-sell content, because as you may recall, emailing is another type of content. Because you don't need to ship, create, spend money on inventory, or do any of those things to market Clickbank products. You can literally throw the new weight loss script into Lovo.ai, where we create the robot voices and you have a video ad that you can use. This is why I love Clickbank and affiliate marketing. If you want to know the best affiliate marketing strategy, Clickbank is it. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.